Welcome to 219-311 East 16th in the heart of Mount Pleasant. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, Danish-inspired West Coast contemporary townhome is unique and not to be missed. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to ARNE, boutique townhomes inspired by Danish design and contemporary West Coast elements. This efficient 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome is flooded with natural light and boasts an open concept living space perfect for entertaining or relaxation. The modern finishes include composite stone countertops and sleek appliances that add contemporary flair to this stylish unit. Enhance your evenings with expansive views from your massive rooftop deck, complete with a gas connection for your barbecue. This home has everything you need to live your best life in Vancouver. With a walk score of 97 and a bike score of 87, you're a stone's throw from Main Street's vibrant boutiques and eateries, and you're located in the Florence, Nightingale and Sir Charles Tupper school zones. Make no mistake about it, we are listing in the heart of winter, so you can enjoy this massive rooftop patio in the spring and summer months. If you're looking for more information, contact me.